Good morning to everyone, the students of class 5. Dear students, I am Prakash Sharma, English teacher, is standing before you to teach the topic of subject and predicate. There is a great importance of subject and predicate in sentence. Without subject, sentence cannot be made. At first, I want to tell you what is subject. In any sentence, the first part of sentence that names what the sentence is about is called subject, such as the teacher teaches the students. Here the subject is teacher. I am reading a book. Here subject is I. Just like any types of sentences, either statement or interrogative or command, that means imperative sentence, all types of sentences contains subject. Just I am going to tell you some examples of interrogative sentence and command sentence. Interrogative sentence: how many hours do you read daily? That means this sentence belongs to interrogative sentence, but here sentence you, and after you the rest part is predicate, but subject is especially you. When does the teacher teach me? Here sentence the teacher, that means working person is here teacher. We can say that the subject is teacher. Just like command sentence, that means imperative sentence. As you know that imperative sentence includes order, commands, request, advise, etc. Just I take the sentence of command: write a letter. Only I tell write a letter. That means you write a letter, and you is hidden here. If I tell clean the student, that means you clean the students, and you is hidden. You is hidden here. That means without you sentence is not completed. But it is not shown. Just like predicate. In predicate, just I am going to tell you the second part of sentence that says something about the subject is called predicate. The children of this class are very polite. Dear students, the children of this class here subject, but after the subject, the rest part are very polite is predicate. Just like I wash my clothes daily. Here wash my clothes daily, what will be? Predicate. Interrogative sentence, just I tell you, can you do this work? This sentence related to interrogative. Subject here you, but after the subject, the remaining part, the rest part of the sentence is predicate. Just I am telling the imperative sentence or command sentence. If I tell shoot the enemy, that means shoot the enemy is predicate. Shoot the enemy is predicate. But if anybody asks what is subject, sir, and this sentence, because subject is not shown here. Dear students, I would like to say that here sentence is hidden. Shoot the enemy means you shoot the enemy. Second sentence of imperative sentence, command sentence: keep up the grass. That means you keep off the grass, and you is subject. and keep of the grass is predicate. Just like next sentence, I want to tell you. Hurry up, please. Hurry up, please. That means these are related to predicate. But here hidden subject is you. Change your dress. If I tell the student, change your dress. Therefore, use is hidden as subject, which is not shown in sentence. But if anybody asks what is subject and the sentence, then your answer will be, sir, you is here subject. And change your dress, it will be predicate. If I tell you sit properly or sit quietly and listen my birds, all sentences such types of are related to imperative sentence, command sentence, and in those types of sentences, subject you hidden, the rest part which is shown as predicate, and hidden part you is subject. Thanks. If you have any problem, you can ask me on my phone, and rest part exercise work will be taught next program. Thanks.